Good day, everyone. So this is your instructor, Mr. Melvi Anasio. So for today, I'm going to teach you on how to first to create on how to create program in C++. At the same time, I'm going to teach you on how to save, how to open your program in C++ programming language. At the same time, I'm going to teach you as well on where we can find your programs in your computer. All right, so let's begin. So first, let's open our C++ applications. So ang gamit po nating C++ programming language is the IDE that we use is Turbo C++, right? So let's open and start or click Turbo C++. And so after that, ito yung makikita natin, no? So this time, I'm going to create first a simple program using C++. Alright, so let's click the file and then select new. Okay, so why new? Because we will going to create a new program in C++. Right. So these are the tips, guys, no? Para mawala to, okay, para mawala po ito, you can click the arrow up. Yan. Right? So let's start. So first, let's type the header files. And then copy paste. Now highlights first, control insert for copy, shift insert for paste. All right. And then let's put or type the conio. Then after that, let's type the main function. All right. Then the curly brackets for begin or curly brace for begin, and then clear screen. Of course, the cout. Okay. Hello world. All right. Hello world. Then copy again. Control insert, shift insert. And then let's start with the welcome to C++ programming. Right. And cout again. Copy na lang natin, guys, no, para mas mabilis. Control shift insert, di ba? The copy and paste will be helpful for you, most especially for those students who are first time to use C++. Kasi kung there's a students na medyo mabagal mag-type in programming. So para mas mabilis yung pagtatrabaho natin in creating a program, it will be helpful if you master on how to use copy and paste. No. And of course, this is your right. And then after that, kung okay na yung mga gusto nyong i-display, let's put the get functions, return 0, and then the curly brace for n. So now, ito yung gagawin natin, no? Most of the time, ang ginagawa natin, nararekta na natin for run. So actually, before running the program, we need to use the compile first. So Alt-C, compile, Alt-C for compile. So anong function ng compile? Yung compile, the main purpose of compilation is to check if your programs has no errors, kung wala siyang error. So ibig sabihin, kung wala siyang error, ang lalabas na notifications is success, right? No, for example, may error at kinompile natin. Okay, no, merong error, kinompile natin, Alt-C, compile. Pwede makikita natin, errors, press any key. So that's one of the purpose of compilations, to check kung wala bang problema or walang error or error-free yung program mo. So kung makikita natin error, ayusin natin. Okay, pag ganito ang itsura guys, press enter lang ulit. Okay, para ma-edit natin. Kasi hindi mo siya ma-edit kahit anong type mo dyan, hindi mo siya ma-edit, mo siya, i-enter muna. Okay, enter first. So hanapin natin yung mali. And statement, dito daw. Now, ulitin natin, Alt-C. Now, kung okay na, if it's your program success, error-free, and that's the time na pwede nating i-run yung program natin. Enter, and then R for executing your program. Alt-R. Alright. So this is the output of your program. Hello world. Welcome to C++ Programming. Your instructor, Ms. Mel V. Anasio. Now, so this time, you can pause the video, guys. If you can pause the video if you want, and then try to copy or try to type on your PC, on your laptop, the sample program that I made. All right. Now, so let's save our program. So in order to save our program, File, and then save. Ayan na. So, palitan natin. Palitan natin ng, kunyari ay, hello world na lang. Okay, hello.cpp. So, please remember guys na ito yung program name mo or yung file name mo. Right? So, pag sinabi natin .cpp, ito yung extension name ng C++. CPP stands for C++. Don't forget that guys because there's a lot of students na nagkakamali pa dito. Some students ginagawa na hello C, hello.c, meron naman .ccp, meron naman pp lang. So ulitin ko, the extension name of your C++ program is .cpp. Now, andiyan po natin ito colon, turbo C3, and bin. So I mean to say, this is the address of your program. Kumbaga, sa File Explorer mo, sa computer mo, dito mo hahanapin yung program na ginawa mo, which is later, ipapakita ko kung paano mahahanap. Okay? So for the meantime, let's save first our program, hello.cpp. Now, kasi nito guys no name. Now, once that I enter it, mag-iiba yung program niyan o mag-iiba yung pangalan. Alright? Then enter. Ayan. So, that's what I've said a while ago. Once that save natin yung program natin, magbabago po ito. So, that is the indication na na-save mo na yung program mo. Now, the thing is, kung malalaman na tama yung pagka-save mo, i-run mo muna. Alright? Run, Alt-R. So, walang problema, no? The same pa rin, kahit pa paano. So, try na i-close muna yung program. Okay? Since na-save ko na, wala nang problema. So, bakit yung save? Guys, kasi ganito yan. In C++, there's instances na baka mag-close ang computer mo, mag-shutdown ang computer mo, mag-hang ang computer mo. So, once na hindi mo siya na-save, close mo yung C++, there's a possibility na magbaback to zero ka. So I always recommend, I always encourage my students to save first their program before running their program. Now, para just in case there's an uncertainty na mangyari, pag-shutdown, pa-lowbat, case na save na siya. Okay? So, for example, close our program. In order to close the program, guys, ito muna, no? Okay? Close muna natin yan. And open yung program natin. Okay? We will open first our program. So, ulit, or you can select File, and then Open. Ayan. So, time, pupunta tayo sa Turbo C3. Ayan. Turbo C3 kasi ito yung location ng program mo. And then, start natin yung hello.cpp. Ayan. So, ulitin natin guys baka kasi nabigla kayo. Paano nangyari yun? Okay. Ulitin natin. Alt-F Open. So, sa inyo guys, sir, bakit ano to? Anong meron dito? Of course, dito kasi sa laptop ko guys, marami na akong ginawang mga examples or example programs, activities because this are my subject. So, kung first time mo pa lang, okay, kung first time mo pa lang, ito ang gagawin mo. Ito muna, C:\turbo C3.bin. So, yung kung paano gumawa ng folder, kung paano gumawa ng program, ituturo ko yan later na lang. In the next video. So, turbo C3 and bin, enter natin. So, kung mapapansin nyo guys, nandito yung ginawa kong hello.cpp. Okay, tandaan nyo ito guys ha. C:\turbo C3 bin. So, ibig sabihin, diyan yung location ng program mo. And then, let's select the hello.cpp. Yan. Alright? So, run natin ulit. Okay, so walang problema yung program natin. So, this time, literal, i-close natin yung mismong C++. Right? Now, Alt-F, exit. Okay. So, yung program namin, yung C++. Okay. So, una, put mo na tayo sa File Explorer. File Explorer, guys. And set to local C. And turbo C3. Tapos bin. Ayan. So, ito kanina guys, ito yung local, o ito yung local address kung saan pa-save yung program mo. So, ulitin ko, sa local C. Sa loob ng local C, pasok ko kay turbo C3. Sa loob ng turbo C3, pasok ko kay bin. So this time, hanapin natin yung program na ginawa natin. Ito siya. Hello.cpp. So this the indication na na-save talaga yung program mo. Kasi mga students na nagtatanong sa akin, so saan ba namin makikita yung program namin sa computer? Ito po yun. Okay? Yan. So, try natin ulit buksan in C++, guys. Okay? Ayan. Saan ulit natin? Ayan. Ayan, o. Ayan. So, try natin is not tingnan. Ayan. So, kung i-open natin, for example, open natin, File, open. Ayan. Ayan. So, kung mapapansin nyo, ito yung address. Ayan. Ito yung address, almost the same. No? C:\turbo C3 bin. C:\turbo C3 and bin. Alright? So, hindi na kayo mawawala dyan. Okay, now. Now, sir, so, ano ibig sabihin ng .cpp asterisk? So, ibig sabihin ng asterisk .cpp, kumbaga, ang ipipili niyang program, yung mga program na merong extension name na .cpp. Okay? Kaya kung mapapansin nyo, lahat yan, x1, x2, x3, example 1, example 1, these are the programs, their extension name are C++. So, yan. Okay? Ibig sabihin yan, siya, yung mga sample program na extension name ay C. Ibig sabihin, C language. Okay? Yan, katulad po niyan. So, kung mapapansin nyo, wala siyang pinakita na program that their extension name are C language. Ang yung mga folders yan. Yung nakikita dito guys, folders yan. So, in our tuturo ko kung paano gumawa ng folder in C++. Ulitin ko guys ha. Kung gusto nyong hanapin ang program nyo, ang lagi nyo tatandaan .cpp, yung itatype. Yan. Ibig sabihin nito, yung mga sample program ng extension name niya ay C++, which is ito yung pinapa-require kong extension name for C++. Yan. Okay na. So that's the time, pwede mo nang i-open ang program mo based on your file name. Alright? Then run it. right? So I really hope, guys, you learn something on creating, on how to save, on how to open your program in C++, and where we could find program in our computer. So guys, no, let's practice. No, wag lang po kayo masatisfy on watching the video itself. No, try to practice it. Try to do it on your own. Once again, thank you for watching my video lesson. This is your instructor, Mr. Melvi Anasio. See you on my next video. God bless everyone and stay safe. More lessons in C++. So thank you for watching my video lessons in C++. So this is your instructor, Mr. Melvi Anasio. See you on my next video. Thank you, guys.